Now, moving to Latin music is not only fun, it's all about using the lower body, letting your hips move to the rhythm, keeping your knees bent, your upper body relaxed. Now let's circle it to the right. Get down. Hold it here. Enjoy it. Circle again to the right. And hold it here. Feel like you're dancing barefoot in the sand to the right again. Feel your feet sinking into the sand. Last time, to the right. That's right, sexy. For merengue, to the right. That's right, lead with your ribs and back. Again, your ribs lead, your hips follow. Back. Now we're gonna add the bongo arms. 4 times and back. To the right again. Lead with those ribs. Let your hips follow. Back. Now we're gonna go 4 times and then tap out. Tap out. That's right. And back. Tap it out. Again. Get down. Use those knees. Tap it out. And back. That's right. Work those hips. Now we're going to do it twice. 1, 2. Tap out twice. 1, 2. Tap out twice. Do it again. 1, 2. Tap out. 1, 2. Tap out. Now, mambo front only. Alternate feet. Right foot front. Left foot front. Now arms up. Arms up. 2 more. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap out. Take it back. Tap out. Now we're only going to do it 2 times. 1, 2. Tap out. Again, left. Now, mambo front with the arms just front. 2 more. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the left. Lead with the ribs. Step it out. Now we're just going to do 2 steps. 1, 2. And back. Now Congo, front. Front again. Now we're going to add cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha, front only. Front and front. Cha-cha-cha, front, cha-cha-cha. Work those hips. Now take it to the back. Cha-cha-cha, back and back, 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 cha-cha-cha. That's right. Last time. Now, front and back. And back. And front. And back. Very good. Front. And back. And front. Back. And front. And back. And front. Cha-cha-cha. And back. Cha-cha-cha. Front. And back. Front. Now, make it big. Cover some distance. And back. Don't bump into furniture, though. Be sure your coffee table's out of the way. Big. And back. Last time. Front. And back. Now, merengue in place. Catch your breath. I'm going to take a crossover with a cha-cha-cha. Starting right leg to the corner. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Left leg to that side. That's right. Now, add the arms. It's what Miguel calls the Spanish grab. Now make it big. Woo! Ay, ay. Come on, really get into it. Go for it now. 2 more. Now we're going to keep it to the corner. That's right. Now if you want to, you can add the arms. Now, cha-cha-cha. Good going. Now get ready. We're going to take singles, cross it over, and make it big. Woo! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merengue in place. Good going. Okay, now catch your breath. How do you feel on a scale of 1 to 10? Are you about 5? Can you carry on a conversation? Okay, get ready. I'm going to take you forward 4 cha-chas. Now, hip swings. Cha-cha back. Hip swings. Again. Work those hips. Hip swings. Cha-cha back. Hip swings. Work those hips. Now I'm going to introduce a new step. It's a V. Out and in. Step out and in. Out and in. Again. 4, 3, 2. And now we're going to stay and reach out with your foot and reach your arms. Breathe. Tummy in. 4, 3, 2. Get ready to take it from the top. Good going. Hip swings. And cha-cha back. Hip swings. V-step. Out and in. Out and in. Out and in. And now tap. That's right. Now make it big with the arms and reach. Count with me. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now merengue in place. Oh, you did a great job. All right, now I'm going to show you a new move. Quarter turns to the left. Just watch me. Step front, side, back, side, and then merengue in place. Now do it with me. Step front, side, back, side, merengue in place. We're going to do it one more time. Front, side, back, side, merengue in place. Now we're going to mambo cha-cha front. Front, cha-cha-cha back. Cha-cha-cha and front. And back. Now you've done this before, you know this step. We're kind of cooling it down now. 2 more. This is a little bit easier now. Quarter turns, front, side, back, side, and merengue in place. Now, mambo cha-cha-cha, mambo cha-cha-cha. Forward and back, quarter turn. Merengue in place. Now merengue 4 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. That's good. Now give me 2 to the right. 2 to the left. And now singles. 4 to the right. 4 left. Give me 2 to the left. And singles. Now take it from the top. Cha-cha front and back. Again, front. And now quarter turns. Step front, side, back, side, merengue in place. 4 times to the right, merengue. 4 times left. That's good. Now give me 2 to the left. Singles. Mambo cha-cha. And back, and front, and back, quarter turns. place. Now 4 times to the right merengue. Woo! And left. Ay, ay, ay. Give me 2. To the left. Singles. Now merengue in place. Oh, you did great. Now we're going to be moving on to old school funk. Come with us. But if you choose not to, be sure you don't skip the cool down. That's really important. You've done a great job. Hope you've had fun. Hope you stick with us. Otherwise, cool down.